Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to use Motorola Walkie Talkie. Okay, as you can see on the table now, there are two of these Motorola Walkie Talkie, and first of all we need to know how to turn it on. And to turn it on, you need to rotate this volume to the clockwise. Okay, and you can hear the word power on, and channel now is in the channel 1, and you can increase the volume up by following the clockwise, and turn the volume down. You can see the logo here. Next, you need to turn on another one.
Power on. 1.
Okay, and to communicate between the two of the walkie-talkie, you need to set the channel to the same number. For example, now it is in the same number, in the channel number 1. And to change the channel, you can see the button here. So when you press up, it will change.
2, 3.
Okay, and now this one change to number 3, and I change this one to number 2
3.
and number 3. So now it can communicate to each other. And to talk to the walkie-talkie, you need to press this one. Okay, while you press, you will see the red appear here, and another one appear the green light. So you now can talk. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you can see the microphone here, and the speaker will be here. Okay, and now let's try to different channel. For example, I change this one to
4.
channel 4 and keep this one in channel 3, and when you press, it gives the signal, but another one don't receive the green light. And now I change it back to 3. Okay, you can see the green lights appear on another one. Okay, and on the left side you will find out the connection, the headphone here and the microphone here. So you can use the headphone to it, and this is the charger connection with the USB connection. And please make sure that you use the original provided from the box adapter, so do not use another phone charger. For example, this one using the Type-C connection, and you want to use it with the Samsung adapter or another adapter, it will damage to your walkie-talkie battery. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can use the Motorola walkie-talkie, and I hope you got all the points that you need to know with this walkie-talkie. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.